Hello everyone! Today I'm sharing one of my favorite summer chicken dishes, grilled lemongrass chicken. Lemongrass is an herb with a lemony scent that lacks the sharp acidity of lemon. Lemongrass, shallots, garlic, and soy sauce sugar creates layers of complex flavor in the marinade for the chicken. Once grilled or baked, the chicken is incredibly fragrant, tender, and tasty. Let's start with the spices. First, add shallots, garlic, lemongrass, and small knob of ginger into mortar. And make sure to remove the outer woody layer of lemongrass. This reveals the softer, whiter part of the stalk, which is what you want to use. Gently press down a few times. No need for excessive force, just enough to crack them open, allowing their aromatic incense to mingle and infuse the chicken marinade. Oops, I forgot to add ginger in, so let's go ahead and crack open the ginger, add it in, and give a few prices again. I'm using 4 chicken legs today. You may use chicken thigh or even half chicken. Cut open a couple of slices of the chicken legs for easier penetration from spices and marination. Add all the herbs into the chicken legs first, then we're going to make a marination sauce. I'm going to use this mortar to add a marination sauce in 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon sugar. You may use either brown sugar or white sugar, and if you prefer a little kick, add a couple of Thai chilies in as well. Give a few mix, then pour into chicken legs. And now we're going to combine sauce and herbs, massage it through into chicken meat. Give a couple minutes to massage well individually. Thoroughly massage the herb mixture and a marination sauce into the chicken legs, ensuring that the rich flavors and aromatic spices penetrate the meat. Let this blend marination for minimum 2 to 4 hours or overnight in the refrigerator, which is what I did for this video. My oven is preheating for 392 Fahrenheit. I'm going to transfer chicken legs to baking dish. Transfer chicken legs first, then we'll add all herbs and the sauce on top. We'll send it into oven, bake for 20 minutes first. After 20 minutes, flip over to other side, send it back into the oven, adjust temperature to 340 Fahrenheit, bake for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes baking process, the chicken legs are now ready. Transfer them to a plate. Here is a delightful touch. Take a cube of butter and carefully smear it over the chicken legs. This not only imparts a lustrous glaze, but also introduces an additional layer of flavor. Feel free to enjoy the dish as is, or in my case today, removing the meat from the bone and mixing with the salad. Alternatively, this chicken dish finds its place in sandwiches, wrapped in various bread or scallion wraps. I sincerely hope you delight in trying out this recipe and let me know your thoughts in comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe and video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Happy cooking, friends. Until next time.